Okay, we're going to describe how to control the velocity or the speed of the fill on each nozzle. We'll come around back. There are two flow valves on to regulate the speed of the fill and the velocity of the fill. You're going to adjust the top of the piston, which would be the exhaust side of the stroke. So turn this clockwise to slow the fill and velocity down, turn it counterclockwise to speed up the velocity and the speed of the fill. Conversely, when this is filling, once you've filled, you're going to retract. The retracting side will actually fill your pump. That speed is controlled by the bottom valve. And again, if you don't want to go too fast that it doesn't pull the fluid down, and you don't want to go too slow such that your cycle time is slow. To regulate this speed, again, clockwise will slow the charging and the retracting side of the piston. If you open this valve up counterclockwise, you're going to pull fluid quicker, and this cylinder is going to return to its home prox faster.